Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve an interesting algebra equation, that is 3 to the power x plus 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power z is equal to 837. So we need to find the value of x and y and z. So let's start the solution. So first we factorize the right hand side 837. Here we gone through factorize by 3. Here we get 279. Now again by 3 we get 93. Again by 3 we get 31. So we can write 837 as 3.3.3.31. We can express it as 3 to the power cube dot 31. Now we multiply and divide the left hand side by 3 to the power x, like 3 to the power x into 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power y plus 3 to the power z by 3 to the power x. We multiply by 3 to the power x and divide by also 3 to the power y, only the left hand side, and right hand side should be like 837. Same, if we divide by the right hand side by 3 to the power x and split them, then we will get like this: 3 to the power z by 3 to the power x is equal to 837. Now 3 to the power x by this will cancel out, will be 1, and this will be 3 to the power y by 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power z by 3 to the power x, and 837 can be expressed as 3 to the power cube and 31. Now it's an odd value. It is also an odd value. This one is also an odd value, and this one also odd value. Now comparing the base, like 3 to the power x and here 3 to the power 3, this is also odd and this is also odd. We can write 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power cube, and we get 3 to the power x is equal to 3, as the base is same like 3. Now again the other part should be 1 plus 3 to the power y by 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power z by 3 to the power x is equal to 31. Now if we move this one to the right hand side, we get 3 to the power y by 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power z by 3 to the power x is equal to 31 minus 1. Now here we can write this like 3 to the power y plus 3 to the power z is equal to 30. Now we get 3 to the power y plus 3 to the power z is equal to 30 into 3 to the power x is equal to 30 into 3 to the power 3. Now again we multiply by this left hand side by 3 to the power y, and as well as we divide by 3 to the power y, we get 3 to the power y into 3 to the power y plus 3 to the power z by 3 to the power y is equal to, and 30 can be expressed as 2 times 3 times 5 into 3 to the power 3. So if we break down this, we can get 3 to the power y by 3 to the power y plus 3 to the power z by 3 to the power y equals to 2.5 into 3 to the power 1 plus 3. Like this has one power, so we get 3 to the power y, this 3 to the power y and this 3 to the power y will be cancelled out. We get 1 plus 3 to the power z by 3 to the power y equals to 3 to the power 4. This will, if we sum this we shall get 3 to the power 4 into 10. Again this is an even part and this is an even part, this is an odd and this is an odd. If we compare both sides, base and the value, we can write 3 to the power y is equal to 3 to the power 4. Again we can get y equals to 4, and other part will be 1 plus 3 to the power z is equal to 3 to the power by 3 to the power y is equal to 10. Again if we move this one to the right hand side, we get 3 to the power z by 3 to the power 4. As we have the y is equal to 4, then it will be 10 minus 1. Again we can get that 3 to the power z is equal to 9 into 3 to the power 4, and 9 can be expressed as 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4. That can be write as 3 to the power 6. Now we got x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4, and here 3 to the power z is equal to 3 to the power 6, that is z is equal to 6. So here we also get z is equal to 6. So we have solution: x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 6. But here we first multiply that 3 to the power by 3 to the power, multiply and divide by 3 to the power x and 3 to the power x. After that we got the value of x is equal to 3. If we multiply by 3 to the power, if we multiply this by 3 to the power y or 3 to the power z, then we get the value, maybe y is equal to 3 or z is equal to 3. So in that way, if we substitute that value 3 to the power z, then we get z is equal to 3. So after that we can write, we may get the value of x is equal to, it may be 3 or 4 or 6, then y may be 3 or 4 or 6, or z may be 3 or 4 or 6. So here we got the possible values of x, y and z. The possible values of x should be 3 or 4 or 6, y should be 3 or 4 or 6, and z should be 3 or 4 or 6. So I hope you understand the explanation and the solution of xy z. So thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.